What's up, guys? Mr. M back again with another video. This time around a little bit different than what we usually do. A lot of you within our Discord have been asking about my settings for our new indicator freeze and how I use it in combination with the other tools we currently provide at Perfect Entry. So this is just a quick video on my settings and how you can do the same. Alright, so first of all, let's start here. It's quite simple based on our Perfect Entry indicators. We like to keep it nice and simple and effective. So what we have here is our Pip Hunter Baseline Overlay Classic. If you go here and you join us, you'll be able to get access to this. You go to the invite only scripts, and then these are the different indicators that we currently offer based off Pip Hunter and Perfect Entry. So it would be the first one, the Baseline Overlay, the Classic. You go into the settings and you could do a quick screenshot there. Scroll down, screenshot. Those are the settings for baseline overlay, the inputs. Now let's go to style. Scrolling down. Currently what I have on for our style is the visual components of the indicator. You could take all these off. And then on the bottom we have our stars there, just indicating bullish and bearish strength, and our plots for the background for our cloud there. Next we have our standard freeze, brand new indicator, our new flagship indicator that really works so well in conjunction with a lot of confluences, trend continuations, etc. Inputs there, styles there, okay. And then last but not least, we have our momentum extreme. All can be found again within your invite only scripts. There's the momentum extreme. Now what momentum extreme actually normally looks like is a lot busier of an indicator, but I like to tone mine down. This basically is an all-encompassing trend detection system where it really helps you understand what the higher time frames are really doing, certain lines, overbought, oversold areas, etc., etc. But I like to keep mine simple, as I said before. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to go in and you're going to see, I like the columns. I think that it just reads better to the eyes. So that's the style. We'll start there. We go to columns there, unclick all of those. Just my personal preference, but there's a lot of value within this indicator, I'm telling you, to really understand time frame correlation. Here's the inputs, standard, baseline overlay, and momentum extreme, pretty standard, as well as freeze. Just really visual customization ultimately. So that would be my indicator settings. There's a lot of other confluences that you may see on my charts, such as higher time frame fib levels, as well as weekly fib levels. Support and resistance, of course, supply and demand, taking all of those things into account. When you join our group, I'll be going more in depth on how I go about gathering my fib levels. We also have the magic fib technique that Taylor, our founder, implements, kind of similar, but I'll be really diving into that on our live call. So make sure you're in there. Make sure you sign up to gain access to these indicators as well. I mean, they're really beneficial. And just looking forward to having a great 2023 with you guys. And it's going to be fun. And we're going to freeze it up to death, catch these pips, make this paper, do it as a group, all based off Perfect Entry indicators. All alerts will be sent. Oh, that's another thing that we should also talk about. If you go here to freeze, you can get those alerts. And as you can see, on the side here, I have the alerts for all of the profitable pairs. Now, those pairs are all based off of the data that we collected. As you can see here, all of our pairs on the left here, and you can see the time frames in which they are profitable and not profitable. We found that the sweet spot is really the 2-hour time frame, which gives us the most flexibility with different pairs. So that's kind of what we're rolling with for the higher time frame intraday setups. So that's about it. And we'll see you again. Talk to you soon.